Hi, in front of me is CUBOT X18 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this CUBOT. First of all, go into menu. Now you need to find calendar and click on it. Then pick a date by tapping at the chosen one and click at the three dots at the top right corner. Select new event and customize it however you want to. You can add a title, for example, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before over here. Add people. Choose location. Pick starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature completely by tapping on all day over here. You can even click on this palette and pick a color. When you're done, click done at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully created. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!